Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rose Sharbat. To begin, gather your ingredients. You will need 2 cups of fresh, fragrant rose petals, ensuring they are free from pesticides. For the simple syrup, prepare 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. Additionally, have 1/4 teaspoon of rose essence and 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid ready. These simple components will create a delightful and refreshing beverage. Now, let's prepare our main components. First, gently wash your 2 cups of rose petals under cool water, then pat them completely dry. Next, combine 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves, creating a clear, simple syrup. It is important to let this syrup cool down to room temperature before moving to the next step. With our syrup cooled, it's time to combine the flavors. Carefully place your dried rose petals into a blender or food processor. Pour the cooled simple syrup over the petals. Blend this mixture until the rose petals are finely crushed and thoroughly incorporated into the syrup. Finally, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of rose essence and 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid. This step is crucial for developing the Sharbat signature taste. To complete our rose Sharbat, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth, pressing firmly on the solids to extract every drop of flavorful liquid. Transfer the finished Sharbat into a clean, airtight bottle. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. To serve, dilute about 2 to 3 tablespoons of Sharbat with chilled water or sparkling water over ice for a refreshing drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.